Our next guest is Tashika Yateman-Gardener, an educator and entrepreneur, and she's going to share her journey of becoming an educator and how she's using her expertise to develop activity books to help students excel. Morning, Tashika.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It's interesting because at a time when so many educators are saying, I can't do this, I love it, but I can't do it. What inspired you to start your educational journey?
Because I love it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
And everything that I've done is out of a need to assist the students somehow, regardless of what it is. Most of it started, the business started during COVID when I realized that students needed help. Students everywhere needed help. Initially, I was just thinking of my students in my classroom, my 30 girls, and I started a YouTube channel for geography. I'm a geography teacher. And I noticed that persons from Trinidad, Kenya, Nigeria, everywhere, they were reaching out to me about what I was offering on my website, on the channel, and they were asking if I could do other subjects, if I could do something else, if I can do English, social studies, and so on.
Right.
So based on that, out of that need and willingness to assist, I continued.
That's how everything started. It's quite diverse, from teaching to starting your own school. What's that leap? What's that leap like, Tashika? Because handling a subject area in a classroom really is about classroom management and a specific course. Managing a school is going into administrative things. So tell me about that transformation for you.
First of all, I'm a mom.
Okay.
That is the basis of all of this. And in everything that I do, I treat it the same way that I would want another person or another principal or another administrator to be treating my own children.
Okay.
So with that in mind, it becomes easy. It becomes natural, like a mother's natural. So at high school where I was teaching, I had the opportunity, I was a senior teacher. So I acted in different capacities. So I was the grade 7 coordinator at one point, grade 11, grade 10, sixth form, and acting dean of discipline.
Okay.
So I got an opportunity to be in several different roles where I like learning, love. So I learned all of these things, which I'm able to now put together with the fact that I'm thinking of the parenting side of things in order to start this business.
Yeah, and when we talk about business, usually people start a business because they see a gap. Or there is a vision that they have that they want to put in motion. They feel there's something that I can bring to the world that's a little bit different than everybody else. What is that thing about your school?
That thing started because I was not happy in high school.
Okay.
I was just simply going with the motion. I think a lot of students do that today. And I was not conforming to the uniformity that was expected.
Okay.
So I was just there, basically. And school should be something that students actually want to go to. So if you've seen any of our reviews and so on, we have students who are asking their parents, can I go there full time? Mommy, can you pull me out of school? I want to engage in that particular space. What we've created is a space where there is no classroom colonialism, if I can put it that way. There is
Explain that.
One.
I think I know what you mean,
Yes.
but for our viewers, explain that.
There's no one adult standing there who has all of the knowledge that they're the only person that can pour it into you.
Okay.
It's not like that. It is more of a learning environment where the students feel as if they're in a safe space.
And we're sharing the experience.
Yes, they can express themselves, they can ask questions, or students rave about that, which to me, it is such a simple thing, being able to ask your teachers questions and knowing that they're going to answer you. Most of our reviews is the fact that, oh my God, I can ask the teachers my questions, and they wait, and they explain it to me. And I have to big up all of my teachers. They are handpicked. Not all of them are in Jamaica. Not all of them are from Jamaica.
Okay.
But they are handpicked because we look for the best people that we can find who also have that mindset where they know that the student is the learner. They do not all learn the same way. They are all individuals in front of you. And we have to do something as teachers where we reach each child in a way where they all learn, not just the content,
correct,
but they can transfer this learning to their lives afterwards.
And one of the things that is a benchmark that we use here in Jamaica, of course, is the external exams.
Right.
And your school has done extremely well.
Yes.
And I wanted to say that because I didn't want people to feel like, oh, Tashika started a school and it's a great experience, but are the kids learning? Your passes say that they are learning, and very well too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Somebody commented on TikTok yesterday and said that, oh, I bet you only have 4 students. Well, I didn't get a chance to respond because my students did. And they said, oh no, we have. So it's a home. It's a space for everyone. And then there were parents who were saying, oh, there are many students. I listen into the classes.
Correct.
So our passes, I'm pleased to say, they improve every year. Most teachers may aim for a 100% pass. Yes, we do. But when we have been consistently getting the 100% passes, we now aim for better grades in the 100% passes. So this year, we have 100% pass in information technology, well, 3 years in a row. We have 100% pass in social studies, 3 years in a row. We have 100% pass in POB, 100% pass in English A, math. We had one student, who actually did not do so. She did well. She got a 4. But all the other students, so we have a 96% pass in math as well.
Yeah.
So we are doing really well, and it's not even me. It's the teachers. They go to their classes, they do exactly what they're supposed to do, how they're supposed to do it.
Yeah.
And there's nobody hovering over them.
I gotta tell you, I like what's happening in our education because, there was a time when all of it was managed and controlled by just one government entity. But I think this way, because people are different, students learn differently, it's great to have different schools that have different approaches and different styles, so our students have an option of how to learn. We gotta go. Where do they find you? Name of the school and all of that before you go.
So you can find me at NatKen Educational Services. Just type in NatKen anywhere. We're on Google, we're on Twitter, we are on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everything. We are where the students are so that we can understand them as well as the parents, and we can learn about them so that we can actually do exactly what they need in the classroom to learn. And you can call us. It's 876-477-2696.
Awesome. So much to talk about. Didn't even get to touch the books, but I'm sure when you touch NatKen and you find Tashika, the student guide and workbook in geography is a great, great thing to have. Educator and entrepreneur Tashika Yateman-Gardener. Still to come, we discuss eradicating ultra-processed foods. Very important. Stay tuned.